Oraya geri gir, oraya geri gir. Oraya geri gir. Ni behöver dit. Ni behöver dit snurr. Giri giri orang nak pergi. Sen. Giri giri orang nak pergi. Skriva. Giri giri orang nak pergi. Ha? Nena Rafan. Evian, somebody help. Help them. Awak ni paper cake, come in. Awak ni. Tasha, go pick up those.
Que vai outro?
Go, pick up Tasha. Say Philippine. Very karak amat. Tasha, help. Lah, si Ameseiken cari itu. Karapapar. Karapapar. Tasha, boleh nak pakai? Hah? Mate. Okey, pergi bautir. Sabar taruh. Okay, Tasha, Davian, watch out.
I'm bigger
Chop
than
pieces.
him.
Yeah, you taller. Yeah, if you want to Amat. Phone.
Over here, so.
Hey, don't throw it. Cheryl, Antia. Cheryl. Är det ser? Ameseiken. Så faller jeg kalde vinger.
Really fresh.
Hah? Bagus. Ada rakar dikit. Akarar nginget. Hah? Sige då. Vi går rawai kiege itren. Harus nak. Yo, aurero. Ceyo. Hah? Aur. Ya, tahu pusera. Ameseiken jat. Sakit dikit. Update. Ifan apa gitu?
Esse vai a bucha.
Hah? Ifaro, kayat?
But I'm older. I'm older than you.
Hah? Atau time? Waktu bu, waktu?
But I'm older.
Kayak bilang?
Oh, go para it.
Kayak bilang?
Get it.
Yeah. Ya, apa? Iya, Devi. Ya. Apa yur? Sarah. Ya, tiris sikit. Ya. Tiris sikit.
Är det Dennis, var är ditt cabin? Ha? Hadi sen. Hadi wa mo mawaro ka lang siya. Ah, dami.
Iya. Ya, sawa git. Oh, tiris lagi. Ira. Pusiro na naning pu. Ira. Meroke pusiro.
Ira. Oro, where is she?
Ya. Perecek. Urut gerigat begitu. Tara, ira na mira cucumber. Narbe. Ke ijari ira cek. Ada. Sesa tara kara. Muncul sini.
Apples. Nice. We got water to spray the apples. Try spray it. Spray your apple.
I did.
Nice. We got tables to take pictures. We got a apple looking stand, whatever it's called,
I'm an apple.
to take
I'm
pictures.
in the apple.
Okay, let me take your guys' pictures. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Let me see your apples. Let me see your guys' apples.
Thank
Nice. We got tomato on that side. Peppers, cucumber, pumpkin.
Zucchini.
A lot. Over here, we got some green apples. Nice. Green apples. A lot. There's a lot on the floor. This whole section is mostly apples. Okay, now over here we got some dahlias.
Dahlias? I don't know.
Nice. Over here we got, what's this called? Oh, the same. They're all the same. Nice. There's color white, pinkish, orange, red, maroon, different kind of colors. And on this side we got purple, white again, yellow, green. Nice. And if we walk over here, we got some tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes. And now we're going to the church. We are on our way to the church. We are now probably about 10 minutes away from the church. And now we just reached Kaiser. We're in a tunnel right now. And we just exit. It's a very sunny day today. Very sunny and hot. We got the fresh apples. Yummy apples. We are now about 4 minutes away from the church. Almost there. We are now here. We made it. Yay.